Welcome to Vienna's most famous market, Naschmarkt. Right in the heart of the city, between Linke Wienzeile and Rechte Wienzeile, this vibrant strip of color, flavor, and culture stretches for over a kilometer. And it's been doing so for more than 200 years. The story of Naschmarkt begins in the 1770s. Back then, it was mainly a milk market, located just outside the old city walls. But in 1793, everything changed. Authorities declared that all fruit and vegetables not arriving via the Danube had to be sold right here. And just like that, Naschmarkt became Vienna's central trading hub. Today, the market is home to more than 120 stalls. From dawn till dusk, locals and visitors wander through aisles filled with fresh fruit, colorful spices, olives, cheeses, seafood, pastries, and delicacies from all around the world. You'll find traditional Viennese flavors right next to Indian curries, Vietnamese street food, Italian pasta, Middle Eastern mezza, and so much more. It's not just a market. It's a global culinary journey in one single place. In recent years, Naschmarkt has also become one of Vienna's trendiest meeting spots. Many of the stalls have transformed into stylish bars and restaurants. Inside the market hall, 13 regional vendors showcase everything from fresh fish to handcrafted chocolate. And right at the center, you'll find Brutal am Markt, a modern market bar serving creative cuisine in a relaxed atmosphere. And if you're visiting on a Saturday, you're in for something special. The Naschmarkt flea market has achieved cult status. Vintage treasures, antiques, books, vinyl records. You never know what you'll discover. Despite renovations over the years, most recently in 2015, the historic pavilions still preserve their original charm from the early 1900s. Whether you come for breakfast, lunch, drinks, or just to explore, Naschmarkt is more than a place to shop. It's where Vienna eats, meets, and lives. It's also one of the best places to pick up authentic Vienna souvenirs, from spices and specialty foods to unique gifts you won't find in typical tourist shops. If you want something local and memorable to take home, this is the place. If you're in Vienna, this is one stop you absolutely shouldn't miss. And if you enjoyed exploring Naschmarkt with me, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who loves to travel.